Hi, this is Mona from Scalarly. We help smart companies around the world by growing their products and services and scale their business online. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make the most of your Zoho CRM with this useful tip. When you have hundreds of leads and contacts to follow up with every day, it's really tough to prioritize whom to contact first and when. Zia, your intelligent sales assistant, comes to the rescue by suggesting the best time to contact them. However, scheduling your day around these best time to contact suggestions can be rather tricky. You can be setting reminders based on these best times individually for each record. Set Zia reminders instead to take care of the scheduling, and receive reminders for your list of tasks based on their respective best times to contact. Coming to your tip, did you know that you can actually pause Zia reminders at times when you won't be able to follow up? Let's say, for instance, that you're taking a lunch break every day between 12 to 1 p.m. or you have a team meeting with your colleagues between 4 to 5 p.m. You can pause reminders during these times. Select Pause Notifications and choose for how long you want to pause them. And there you have it! Zia now makes sure to not send you reminders during these times. Like, share with your friends or colleagues, and subscribe for more useful Zoho-related tips. We'll see you on the next one.